So welcome back. In this video I will tell you how many days are in 2 years. So the standard calculation is very simple because the standard calendar year has 365 days and there are 2 years. So the simple calculation is 365 into 2 equal to the 730 days. This applies if neither year is a leap year. So, every 4 years we add one extra day, 29th February, to keep the calendar aligned with Earth's orbit. So, the first year 365 days and the leap year 366 days equal to plus both 731 days. So this occurs if your 2 year span includes a leap year. In the scientific view, Earth takes roughly 365.2422 days to orbit the Sun, and average 2 years the average 2 year period is actually closer to 730.484. So the standard months in a 2 year is equal to 24 months and 52 weeks in 2 years equal to 104 weeks. So this way you can easily calculate how many days are in 2 years. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.